So I want to tell you guys a little story about my personal home. I know I talk all the time about whether you should buy a fixer-upper or not, and this comes from personal experience. In 2017, we bought a home that had great bones, it was in a good neighborhood, it was kind of bigger than what we needed, but it was definitely cosmetically outdated. Pretty much the entire thing. Now at the time when we bought the home, I was looking at Pinterest, I had all sorts of ideas about what I wanted to do with the home, and I thought it was going to be a pretty short-term thing with how long it would take for us to get everything updated just the way we wanted it. Fast forward 7 years later, and we are almost done with all the renovations, but there's still projects on our list that we need to get done. So if you're thinking about buying a fixer-upper, don't make the mistake that I did and have unrealistic expectations about how much time and money it's going to take to get all of the renovations done. Don't plan on making a fast turnaround with a fixer-upper home unless you have a ton of money in the bank and or unlimited time and great skills to do all the work yourself. If you're gonna be in it in the long haul, this house worked out great for us. When we bought it, we had no children, and now we have one daughter with another one on the way in just a few months. And we're not gonna need to move because we bought a big enough home to accommodate a family, even though we didn't need it at the time. For this reason, we've been able to keep our amazing interest rate that we locked in 2020 when interest rates dropped. The home has been very affordable for us, and we've been able to customize it to our liking. It's just been slower than I originally thought it was gonna be.